For inbound, we have Aspen. Binigay ni Aspen rin ang bola. Alas pa rin Coach Alden. And yes! 2 points. Baybay, Ibones, Dulce, number 8. Right now, Sean controlling the ball. Now to Jerry, 71. To Alden, now to Sean. Duncan. Seymour. Sean, jersey number 4. 5 to shoot. And no good. Jersey number 14. Albaidal is your first personal foul. No good for the first throw by Evans. Jumper ready for the last throw. Good for 1 point. Albaidal, first number 22. Pass by Shan. Albaidal. And Aspen, no good. Aspen, ball out, no good. Jen number 71 got the ball and now. To Masinas. Masinas, 2 points. Reserve timeout for the team outs.
Pababa.
Seymour. Timeout.
Guys, ilaw kayo ha. Nagdi-dribble to. Nagdi-dribble. Tali may tao ka dito. Nagdi-dribble dito. Ba't nung pinuntahan? Hindi naman nangyari. Pinasa lang dito. Tapos lumayas na dito. Di ba kakasabi lang? Kailan ka lang i-help kapag nakatalikod? Team. Huwag na huwag mo na gagawin yun. Mabubutas tayo na mabubutas. Sayang oh. Huwag kapag ganon. Tapos dito dumaan. Saan? Dito dumaan. I-atid mo lang. Wala ka na magagawa dyan. Sa baba na yan. Repression na yan, Saan.
Okay.
We have Sean. To Jerry, 71. No good. On to Masinas, and now to Aspen. Long pass for Ibones. 2 points. Made by Ibones. And Sean now. Looking for receiver. Third over. Line violation. And we have Aspen controlling the ball. Aspen jersey number 71. Taking for receiver. And the shoot. And we have Albaidal. There's the reason. Jersey number 4. Of course, acknowledging the presence of Mayor Giselle Sacetta. Good for 3 points made by Borne. Jersey number 22. Shut down, throwing the ball. Third team foul for Team Albay. And now two throws awarded to Vince Christopher 0. First throw. No good. Jumpers, get ready. Good for 1 point by Phoenix. Vasinas. Shot number 4. Right out the corners. Still Bunnies. And now Alden to shine. And what are they asking? Asking looking for receiver. Bringing Masinas. Masinas now pass to Robert Alden. Shine approaching the ring. Able to steal the ball. And now Tipones. There's a break. Tipones to Masinas. Good boy. Running time 6 minutes and 10. Here's Sean. Now good. And another 2 points made by just number 8. Tipones. Reserve substitution. We have Coach Alden. Dribble the ball in. On the side of it, and the Phoenix still substitution. Now we have Galvez and Uncle Joey is in action. Uncle Joey susunod. And no good. Follow up, no good. And here's Masinas. Pass to the Wallace. He has 2 points. Uncle Joey controlling the ball. Pass by Masinas to the receiver. Leading it just to 7. Time to shoot. Turnover. Here's Masinas. To the Bonix. To Aspe. Aspe Uncle Joe looking for a receiver. Back to Aspe. Time to shoot. And no good. Rebound by Vince. And now Uncle Joe approaching the ring. Pass to Jerry. And no good. Uncle Joe on the side. No good. We have Albaidad. Bola yang dipukul sa bola. Haras by Albaidad. Sir, over. That was a line violation. Uncle Joey. Time to shoot. 5 to shoot. Turnover. Running time 4 minutes and 4 seconds to end the first quarter. Then we have Albaidad for Elina. Bigay ni Galvez. Galvez to Aspe. Aspe Uncle Joe. Aspe drive to Masinas. Wala ngayon ang T-Boss. Dito Coach Alden. Bola. Coach Alden approaching. And here's Uncle Joe. Looking for his teammate, Uncle Joe. A whistle Who's from Mr. Referee, jersey number 8, Tipones. It's your first personal foul. Team Albay, warning for penalty. Uncle Joe, pass by Albay. Looking for receiver. Fired to shoot. And our pass to Tipones. Tipones for a goal. 2 points. Points leading ang Team Albay over Team Blues. It's number 7, Cubis. Nabitaw na bola naman ni Masinas. Masinas for the gunner. 2 points by Tipones. That was a nice back-to-back. 2 points by Tipones. There's Suiso, who's found as a referee. Jersey number 1, Galvez. Substitution. Penalty situation, Mr. Referee. Mr. Referee, penalty situation for Team Albay. Another substitution. And now joining the team, we have jersey number 16, Reynach, and Sean, jersey number 4, back in game. Good for 1 point by Uncle Joe. Jumpers, get ready. It's 2 out of 2. Uncle Joey, long pass to Galvez. Galvez, 2 points. Uncle Joey harassed by Galvez as he crossed to midcourt. Uncle Joey Faye looking for receiver. Jennifer with the ball, and there's number 7, Cubis. And there's a whistle. Who's found, Mr. Referee? Jersey number 16, Reynach, pushing foul. It's your first personal foul. Penalty situation, Mr. Referee. And 2 throws awarded to Vince, jersey number 0. First throw. No good. Jumpers, get ready for the last throw. Good for 1 point. Galvez for inbound. Panoy ni Sean ang bola, and now approaching the ring. Sean approaching pass to somebody wide open. Nakuha ni Masinas, and now Galvez. Galvez to Reynach. 2 points. Uncle Joey, last point, Nagan. Uncle Joey looking for his way to the ring. 10 to shoot. And jersey number 71, no good. Nakuha ni Albay down, binigay kay Reynach. Reynach approaching, no good. Yeah, no. Good for 2 points by Uncle Joey. We have the guy. No good. Jersey number 7, to Sean. And jersey number 71. And there's a traveling violation. Substitution, Mr. Referee. Another substitution. Now Pastor Algar joining the group. And good for 2 points by approaching. Back to Reinancia on the side. No good. Double pa rin ang bola. There's number 7, and now Uncle Joey, no good. Sa ilalim, Vince, no good. For the second time around, he has 2 points. Made by Jesse, number 7. Galvez. Galvez. No good. 5 seconds left in the first quarter. And Sean, no good.
Wala tayong kinuplay niya katao sila 3 down. Sa 3 down pa. Ba't siya mag-screen? Hindi ba siya ipabasahan natin sa ilalim? Sa pag 3 down, hindi ikaw si screen.
Jerry!
At saka itawag natin kaagad. Kasi naubos yung oras natin eh. Tapos makinig kayo, Stanley! Makinig ka! Sinasabi 5 seconds, wala ka pa rin naiisip sa hindi kayo. Wala. Nagtulong ka eh!
Nakaraming tira ka na eh. Dapat nandito na yun. Tatlo. Isa na naman tatlo. Nakuha mo na dapat.
Saka okay lang naman sa mag-drive.
And before we proceed to
Ngayon,
the second quarter,
yung fast
we
break
have
na
this
napaka
one
pwede
on
hindi
toss.
pa ulit. Stanley, ayoko makaka-fast break. Ganun. Okay?
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Let's go, let's go.
Mahaba pa yan, mahaba pa yan.
Mahaba yan. Ito sa bawah. Come on, Sean. 1, 2, 3.
Praising is eternally immortal, Jesus.
And let's continue the action. Welcome to the second quarter of the game. Inbound by Reinancia, now Nagala to Masinas. Masinas asked by Pastor, and there's a whistle. This foul, Mr. Referee, jersey number 4, it's Shan. And second personal foul, and first team foul, Team Mars. Reinancia now. Looking for receiver, jersey number 23. Time to shoot. And we have Vince. This one, Mr. Referee, basket counted. Jersey number 23, Velitario. First personal foul, first team foul for Team Albacas. Substitution. Masinas out, another jersey number 14, Albaitar. Back in game. Good for 1 point by Vince. And here's Reinancia. No good. And no good still. Albaitar, 2 points. Right now, Sean, jersey number 4, controlling the ball. Passed by the guard, jersey number 9. To Vince, looking for receiver, 10 to shoot. Here's 30-71, 2 points. Long pass. Here's Valdez. Bola. Okay. Jersey number 14, Albaitar. Substitution is the referee. Reinancia out, De La Cruz in, Albaitar. It's your third personal foul. Another substitution. Go ahead. Pastor Alvar out. Jersey number 7. Back in game. Right now, Uncle Joey, jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 looking for receiver, bringing in Sean. Sean, and yes, 2 points. Meanwhile, jersey number 4, Sean. And it's now down to 8 points leading at Team Alay, De La Cruz. Pass by Uncle Joey, De La Cruz looking for his way to the ring. Pass by Gibbs. Down to shoot, De La Cruz struggling. Make Elias. Elias, leading for the receiver. 5 to shoot. Still by, or there's something like jersey number 71, and here's jersey number 7. The game is 71. 3 points, made by jersey number 71. Jerry. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Looking for a receiver. Bigay Militario. Good. Uncle Joey. And Mapalamay Lagar, number 9. Lagar, pass to Galvez. Galvez. There's no reason. Yes, sir. Number 71. Gusto mag-join ng daga. Iba eh. And now 2 throws awarded to Galvez. Jersey number 1, first throw. A bonus throw runner. No good. Militario to Galvez. No good. Magawa sa end. Substitution.
Sir, pabunas mo na.
Resume the game. Right now, across the midcourt, we have Uncle Joey. Habang De La Cruz, Uncle Joey looking for receiver. Binigay kay Sean. 3 points made by Sean. And here's the guy. Nagkakasunod-sunod. Nagar, 3 points. Substitution, Mr. Referee. Militario out, we have Donovan back in game. Beautiful receiver, binigay ulit kay Sean. And Sean, 43, no good. Wala ngayon ni Dagar, jersey number 9, Dagar, Dumiretso, Puntos, 2 points made by Dagar, number 9. Right now, Uncle Joe. Binigay kay Sean for 3, no good. Dagar, Dagar, panas by jersey number 7. And Dagar tries a long run, no good, Glenn. And here's Apaitan, pass to De La Cruz, De La Cruz, 2. Tipones on the side. 2 points made by Tipones. Right now, controlling the ball, we have Uncle Joe. Pass by Tipones. Ibinigay kay Pastor Algar habang nakaupo sa kanyang bench.
Makinig kayo ha. Diretso natin kay Vince kagad. Di ba tumatawag kang Trick, Joe? Huwag mo na yung ganun-ganun sa iba kaliwa. Pag sumil siya, bigay mo. Pero yung bigay na maayos. Kasi kayang-kaya ni Vince yung lalim.
Kaya mo talaga, promise.
Diba tumawag kang Trace? Pagkaan mo kaya Joe, nakasil na siya. ilabas mo na lang. Huwag yung matatabi. Siguro talaga pag kuha mo wala pagdadalong isip, bumangat ka na. Okay?
Back to the ball game. This time, Pastor Alvar joining the team mobs. And here's the gun. Last by shot. Now. And there's number 9, the guy. Good for 2 points from the free throw line. Andre Joey. To make it Fiends. Passing down in jersey number 14, Albaidar. Albaidar, number 14, warning for foul now. Then we have another 14, Masinas, to replace Albaidar. And bonus roll awarded to jersey 0, Wings. Jumpers. For another 1 point. Philippines. Naga, last by Aldo Joe, binigay kay De La Cruz. De La Cruz last by Sean, De La Cruz, last by before receiver, back to De La Cruz. Sean steal the ball, and Sean versus the guard, and Sean versus 2 points made by Sean, jersey number 4, Team Bronze. Down to 6 points leading on Team Alive. On the big house, and we have Justin De La Cruz, alas by Paso Rauta. And there's a whistle. Substitution. And then we have hit for 2 points made by Zipper. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Using their money. Binigay kay Tipones. Tipones. No good. He's eventually Uncle Joe, good for 2 points. Down to 2 points leading. Turnover. We only have 3 minutes and 51 to end the second quarter of the game. Right now, Uncle Joe. Randy Joey. Ang taon na bola. Bola pa rin ng Team Mods. Looking for receiver. We have Big 0. And passing counted. 22 Borbe. 1-3 end. Borbe is your first personal foul. Warning for penalty situation. Team Albay. And now we have a deadlock score of 35. We will have a bonus throw awarded to jersey 0. Jumpers. For another 1 point by jersey 0. Vince. Now leading Team Moms for 1 point. And we have De La Cruz. De La Cruz. No good. De La Cruz got it one again. Down to shoot. And that was a dribbling violation committed by De La Cruz. Turnover. 36-35. 1 point leading ang Team Moms. There's the number 71, Sugo. There's the number 71. Good for the 2 points. Right now, Urbano. Binigay ni Morgan. Pati po na starter. De La Cruz. 10 to shoot. Timones for 3. No good. We have Sean. There's number 4. Jonathan Joey. Down to 71. And now to 2. Algar. Intercepted by Here's Urbano. The Timones. Substitution, Mr. Referee. Another substitution from Team Albay. Now we have Aspe back in action. Alden. Bigay jersey number 7. Rico. Looking for a receiver. Right away shot, no good. Nawala ni Urbano. Binigay yun. And here's Masinas. Masinas fake. Masinas 2. Corbin. Looking for a receiver. Alas by Alden. Same ball. 1 minute and 56 to end the second quarter. Aspe to Timones. 10 to shoot. And we have Corbin. Corbin on the side. Corbin. No good. One on Eldon. Eldon. And here's Spence. Sideline and no good. 10 to shoot. People on bola, number -0. And it's yes! Losing power in his body. Corbin. No good. And the shot is number 4, bola. And and Urbano, good for 2 points. Seconds to play to end the second quarter of the game. We have Sean. Ball back in the knees. Looking for receiver. Looking number 7. And here's Masinas approaching the ring. Masinas, no good. We only have 18 seconds to end the second quarter. Again, 18 seconds. Timeout, goal by Team Albay.
Guys! Hey, lapit, dali! Saan? Guys, sige, sabi siya. Guys, okay yung ginagawa natin. Kaya lang yung pagod nandun na, yung depensa natin nawawala. Okay ka pa ba? Di ba binigay sa'yo? Isang bangga, 2 bangga. Huwag ka muna ikot na ikot. Dahil may double team, matatrap ka. Isang diretso lang may last. Right? Pero good job.
Pa, sabay sa. Please. Di ba bumabangga ka, dinodoble ka? Nagkakataon na tayo na libre. Oo. Nagkakataon kasi sa'yo na nakafocus. Ano yung ginawa ni Jerry?
Again, we only have 18 seconds to end the first half or the second quarter of the game. We have Aspe for inbound, and now Urbano, no good. 15 seconds left. Aspe, 10 seconds. And here's Masinas, good for 2 points. 5 seconds, 3 are watching the first ever
Okay. Jeric, ikaw, kamusta ka?
XI production.
Okay ka, pero... Naiintindihan mo yung sinasabi ko. Kasi kanina sa lalaki. Jeric, pasok. Ikaw, okay ka ba? Vince, okay na din. Vince, napasa sa ilalim. Ilalim mo, napalpal ka ng board. Huwag mo na ibalik. Ha? Pero kung sabi ko. Vince, pasok. Pasok, ikaw okay ka? Stan, wala si Gersan. Ikaw yung kailangan magampanan mo yung role ni Gersan mo. Penetrate. Pag libre, huwag ka magdadalaw isip. Pull up. Huwag ka magdadalaw isip. Pag sumaplay, baba lang tayo. Pero guys, itong mga uling possession, 2 beses na naman tayo na fast break. Nakita nyo? Naka fast break lang, na madali. Nawala tayo ulit sa focus. Stan, ayoko makaka-fast break. Okay? Tsaka, Uncle Joe, Sean, ikaw, Deb, ayoko makaka-fast break sila. So yung fast break na nagagawa nila, kayo yung tatrabaho nun. Okay? Tignan nyo na kagad, pag tira natin, kung tumatakbo na yung point guard nila, huwag ka na makipag-rebound dito, doon ka na. Okay? Stop natin yun, kasi lahat ng score nila kanina galing doon. Tapos, meron tayong mga certain adjustments. Pag pumasok yung number 9 na point guard, yung ragay, Kedyo, dali mo sa kaliwa. Malakas siya sa kanan eh. Sorry, malakas siya sa kaliwa. Sa kanan niya kailangan dumaan.